Listen to that baby crank. There you go. Oh yeah! Here he comes. Whoa! Gave her a little whiskey throttle. Man, the more you beat on her, the more she likes it.
Yep.
Is the CT70 ever really done? Like, is a restoration or a fix-up ever really complete? Yeah, I don't know, maybe. But this one's pretty darn close. From sitting in the back of the storage area, a mere $5,000 later, and you know, about 300 working hours, you got yourself a fairly okay-ish Honda CT70. But it's classic Americana, man, you know, classic.